How to fix Telegram login problem. Hello guys and welcome back into this new short tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how to do it easily and fast. First thing, go to the settings, open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager now, all what you want to do is very simple. Scroll until you find Telegram. As you can see, click on Telegram and force stop the app from here. When you force stop the app, then go to the notifications management, disable the notifications and enable them back, all the notifications. Go back, click on data usage and then make sure that everything is enabled. Go back again, click on storage, click on clear cache. Go back into the settings in your phone, go to the wireless, add networks, enable the airplane mode for 15 seconds and after that disable it. That's it, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later and thank you.